Right. So far, we've seen two ways that would allow you to build dynamic models and create multiple scenarios. Would you be interested to see a third way? If that's the case, you've opened the right video. This is what we are going to do here. VLOOKUP can be combined with several other functions. A useful combination of VLOOKUP is the one with columns, which serves as a counter for the number of columns. Let's show how this can be applied in our example. The lookup value we'll need is the scenario we've selected. I'll anchor this cell reference. The lookup table where we will look is in the entire range from B to M. The function will look for lookup value, and whenever it finds it, it will give us a result from that row. The third input it needs is a column number. But I'm sure you'll agree this isn't a dynamic function, is it? If every time we use VLOOKUP we have to pause and count column numbers, so it would be very inefficient. This is where columns comes into play. Proficient users use columns every time they use VLOOKUP. The function works in a very straightforward way. I only have to select the part of the table we've arrived at, and Excel will count the number of columns in this range. Simple as that. If we fix cell references properly, the next time we paste the function, it will have one column more, given that I've fixed only the starting column reference. Easy, right? Let's use this function for the two items below. Perfect. As you can see, we've obtained the same result as the previous two videos. Dynamic scenarios. Great! Let's use selected case values to fill in the P&L lines we have above. Revenues in 2017 can be obtained by multiplying 2016 revenues by 1 plus forecasted revenue growth. The same is valid for 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. COGS will be given by revenues times projected percentage of revenues for that year. The same holds true for OPEX. And this gives us P&L figures at the EBITDA level. In our next lessons, we will go deeper and will forecast the firm's entire P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. And the best part is this is a dynamic model that allows us to switch between scenarios in the blink of an eye.